Aren't you bored of eating regular paneer for protein? Then let's just be done with that, shall we? Let's all say, hello, Tempayy. Today we are going to take an old school classic that you know as chili paneer and give it a new age spin, Tempayy Chilli. It's super easy to make, delicious to eat, packed with protein, and more importantly, it's so not paneer again. This recipe is so easy to make that it all has ingredients that we always have lying around in our kitchen. Into a cast iron, 20 to 25 mils of regular cooking oil. And as we allow that to get hot, it's time to take tempeh and saute it. And I'm going to tell you why. Tempeh is a lean protein, but unlike other proteins, tempeh absorbs flavor. With the tempeh perfectly sauteed and getting that little bit of crunch to intensify the flavors and allow the magic to unfold right in your pan. Szechuan Chilli Tempayy, it's all about the chili. So soak this in 100 mils of water and grind it to the smoothest possible paste till you get this. In goes about 10 mils to 15 mils of regular cooking oil, 6 to 8 cloves, an inch of ginger, lace it with some Szechuan pink peppercorns. And as this gets together and you see slight specks of oil coming out, it's time to create that slurry. Allow this to emulsify into the perfect slurry and just pour that right in. Now you want it all to come together for about a minute to a minute and a half and just put that sauteed tempeh in and allow it to coat gracefully. As we're locking in all the flavors, the beauty about my chili tempeh is that while it's a lean protein, it keeps you full for longer because ding, 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 it's already high in fiber. So just allow this to toss. All it needs right now is a final overload of some spring onion. Ain't this a fun way of ensuring that you have a bang-on protein that is delicious to eat